The topic is homogeneous linear equations with constant coefficients, the fourth order DE. So let's do this example. Solve the fourth derivative of y minus 4 second derivative of y plus 4y equals 0. So again, the first thing we do is the auxiliary equation, which is m4 minus 4m squared plus 4 is equal 0. So all we need to do is solve the auxiliary equation. Now, if you notice, this is the same thing as m squared minus 4m squared plus 4 equals 0. If we let big X equal m squared, this equation is actually just x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So it's easy to factor. So factoring this will be minus 2, right? So x minus 2, which is 0. And then we plug in the m squared for x. So plug in m squared here, plug in m squared here. You get m squared minus 2. M squared minus 2 is equal 0. So that's the easiest way to factor this one. So again, this means that m squared minus 2 is 0, or m squared minus 2 is 0. This means that m squared is equal to m squared is equal to, now that means using the square root method, m is equal minus or plus square root of 2, m is equal minus or plus square root of 2. So m1 is negative square root of 2, m2 is square root of 2, m3 is negative square root of 2, m4 is square root of 2. So using the superposition, we get y equal C1e m1x, so negative square root of 2x, plus C2e m2x square root of 2x, plus C3e m3x negative square root of 2x, plus C4e m4x, which is square root of 2x. And then all you do is check if there are any repeated roots. So remember, they have to be independent. We have to have 4 roots that are independent. So since these are repeated, so I multiply this by x, and then since these are repeated, I multiply this by x, and then that's it. So this will be our solution. And that's it for this example.